Hi, welcome to MAT Factory. On this video, I will explain you about our probe stations. As you know, probes are very essential part of a water process or any process system within life support. So here you can see a standard production of central MAT probe holder station. This model is holding 4 different probes: a temperature probe, a dissolved oxygen probe, pH and ORP probes. And these connections are for the water inlet and outlet. And inlet and outlet can be connected to different pumps or different pipelines. It's all manufactured and machined in MAT Factory with a chemically resistant and durable, full transparent material, which gives us the advantage to see all the way through. So without opening or interrupting the flow, we can see if the measurement part of the probes are clean and effective. And also, for a replacement or any kind of service, we can easily bypass our water inlet, and while the unit is still processing, we can change the probes, we can clean the probes. As I said, this unit is holding 4 different probes, but our probe stations can be extendable up to 10 different type of probes with different adapters. And the final detail, here you can see a thread and a small tip, which is a titanium grounding piece. As you know, even a very small electrical leak in the system is resulting with big interferences of the probes. So with connecting this tip into clear ground line is completely zeroing all these effects. And the second unit I will explain you about is a dry tap unit, as we call. It's a service probe connection. First, let's see how we are using the conventional standard inline connections. So, for example, this is a protein skimmer, and now we are using an ORP probe here. And now I will show you about the disadvantage of a standard inline probe connection. So this one simply inserted into a pipeline as a common use. So if I want to service the probe, and if I want to remove the probe while there is a flow inside the pipeline, this is the result. It's almost impossible to change or service the probe while there is water inside. So the solution of MAT for this is our dry tap application. Now I will insert this dry tap station into the pipeline and show you the difference. Now, instead of a standard connection, now we have our dry tap unit and we have water flow inside the pipe. Now we have water circulation on the probe tip. If I want to clean or replace the probe, simply I'm rotating. It's very smooth and easy to rotate it. Then I'm taking out the probe. And I won't attach the probe again to show you what will happen. Now it's in off position. Let's assume I install another probe or I clean my probe and put it back. Then again smoothly I'm turning it. Now again we have the water flow. So this is letting us for all kind of service or manipulation for the probes while we have a pressurized running water inside the pipe. And imagine if this pipeline is 500 millimeter diameters with so many meters length, we are talking about draining so many cubic meters of water just for a single probe change. So this is the biggest advantage of our dry tap unit. And of course, again, from a transparent window, you can see tip of the probe to understand if it's clean or not. And again, we have our titanium grounding probe to avoid any interference of small electrical currents in the water. Thanks for watching us.